LKHY Hongyang Carpet Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of tufted wall-to-wall carpet and carpet tiles. Our factory is located in Shrishu City, Hubei Province, with convenient transportation access, covering an area of 86,000 square meters, including 31,000 square meters building area. We have series of products in stock and sell well in all regions around China. Besides, new products will be launched annually. Our products are also exported to clients all over the world. We welcome OEM and ODM orders as well. No matter choosing our current products or customized, you can contact our international sales about your requirements. The main material includes polypropylene, nylon, polyester, wool blender, PVC, bitumen, and PE, which is environmentally friendly. In recent years, our company has imported a series of advanced equipment, including cobble cellars and Tufco. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 verification. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staffs are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. At present, our company are moving towards specialization, network-based pluralistic direction. To better expand the overseas market, we've been attended many famous international exhibitions for years. We sincerely welcome potential buyers to contact us.